Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today we're going to be reviewing the MissA A+ AOA brush cleaner. This is rose scented. This is $1.88 on their website, and the proceeds to this goes to help children educationally. This is also an antibacterial spray, rose scented, and 1.7 ounces for that $1.88. Now here we have some stained brushes. They're dirty also, so they have colorful eyeshadow in them, and I thought that we would use these to demonstrate how well this works to spot clean. This is a spot cleaner. The directions basically this is a quick drying disinfectant for your brushes, no required water. You spray a few times on your makeup rag basically, and then swirl your brushes in them to clean them. So here you can see I'm spraying it on the towel and I'm swirling my brush in it like the directions say. Now very little product was removed from the brush, as you can tell. It definitely didn't help with any staining, but we also want to keep in mind this is so I sprayed it. I wanted to test it and spray it directly onto the brush. That didn't really help much either. I kind of have to keep reminding myself that this is not a deep clean for your brushes. This is basically a switch kind of product in between shadows. Like you want to quick clean off your brush so you can dip it into another eyeshadow. A quick clean for you to put them back in your cup and use them again the next day if you wanted. Now it worked a little bit better with this particular brush, but like I said, there was still product in the brushes. That doesn't mean that this isn't a great little spot cleaner, but if you're looking for something that's going to take your stains out, that's going to get all the product out of your brushes, this is definitely not it. This is just a spot clean, on the go kind of thing. I think this would be perfect to take traveling with you. So I wanted to test it out on a different surface, so I grabbed a paper towel to see how well that worked. It worked okay. It's about as well as you'd expect alongside with the towel, and it didn't get off more product or less product. It got off about the same product, but you can definitely tell that there is still product left in these brushes. Now in regards to the rose scent, it is pretty loud. If you're sensitive to smells, you might not like that they have this only available in a rose scent and a lavender scent, because those are both very loud scents. The scent does linger in your bristles, and I deep clean these particular brushes here, and even after the product's dried you can still smell the rose scent, and after I deep clean them you could still smell the rose. So if you're not a fan of strong smells, you might not be a fan of this. I do think overall using this in between switching brushes is a great product. It's convenient, it dries extremely quickly, it disinfects your brushes, so that's why I think it's great for travel. It's a good little brush cleaner. Overall though, I'm not a huge fan of the scent. I do wish that it would have took a little bit more product out of the bristles, but that's okay. For what it is and the price, it is a good spot cleaning product, and it dries very quickly. Definitely try it out if you're interested in finding a spot cleaner. If they come out with different scents, I may be inclined to repurchase this item in the future. So that's the review. If you have any more comments or questions regarding this product or anything else, leave them in the comment section below. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links. Stay tuned for more Shop MissA reviews.